Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Paul J here from Crypto Traders Arena. I hope everyone knows that until now. New members, you'll find out. Okay, it's Tuesday, October 29. Treat trading like a business and the market will treat you like a king. That's our motto. Hopefully everyone is respecting that. Okay. Bitcoin daily. Pretty simple stuff. AB equals CD. I was blabbing away here from 2 weeks ago that repeat after me, market is strong. Hopefully, maybe you didn't buy Bitcoin, but at least you didn't try to aggressively short Bitcoin or altcoins. Yeah. Morning Tolga, Christian, Bova. Oh, morning Stefan. Abdullah, Christian, and Shogun. And everyone else. There are too many of you to tell you by name. So, really nice development. We finally accepted above the old all-time high. That was my idea. Now, I should chase 71 here? No. What I should do here, I should do the same like we did here. Yeah? Breakout, retest. Breakout, retest. We have the breakout. Let's let the breakout finish and then retest. Let's hope that 69 will hold as a support and then we can push higher. Okay? We have this AB equals CD kind of thinking. Yeah? Which is almost complete. Looking left, we have some liquidity points here still untouched. Look at this one. Yeah? We have a lot of liquidity here. And then maybe we'll come back down, retest 69 and push higher. That's the most strong scenario. Yeah? So, that's the big AB equals CD. On lower time frame, we can draw another one. Yeah? This AB equals CD with this low, this high, this low, and this high, which is pointing out somewhere in the 76 area. Valid AB equals CD, nothing to complain, but let's take it step by step. When you'll see the market above 70k, the moon boys and the public will come in and will say, well, let's buy some. And you know what's happening after that. Okay. That's my view on daily. Really nice development yesterday. We finally closed above 69 and we took the last high. Yeah, we have the week high and I said I want a candle body high above that one. Well, look at that. Yeah, indeed, we tried to SFU this one with 0.5. We tried to short it yesterday in the last live stream, but we are traders, we are scalpers, day traders. We are trying anything is what is possible on lower time frame. Yeah. But remember, it's better to trade with the trend if you are a swing trader. Don't bet against Bitcoin. Don't bet against altcoins at least. Morning, Caro. Morning, Alex. Okay. So Bitcoin on daily is pretty strong. Like I said here, don't chase. Like I said here, don't chase after the breakout. I'll say again here, don't chase Bitcoin here. Let it finish the move and then come back and retest. An uptrend, a healthy uptrend should do something like this. Step up, stepping back, forming the step here and pushing higher. Don't enter at the top. No, don't be the last too long. Okay. That's daily. Indicators nice and clean. You can see on daily, on Bitcoin, the RSI is not even overbought, which makes me think we can push a lot higher. OBV is looking nice. Everything is nice and clean. I didn't ask you if the video and audio it's okay on this live stream. Okay, let's start with the other template where I had the pump chaser zone here. You remember pump chaser zone, we just touched 38.1 up W. yesterday someone is asking, well, this is not a W. It is. We discussed that. It's a W. Should produce a 2 to 1 at least. Well, now we have that. It's pushing higher, don't chase. That's the main thing. Ethereum on daily, it's finally recovering. Nice price action, nice levels. Yeah, indeed, is underperforming Bitcoin, or Bitcoin is outperforming Ethereum. But look at this one. W breakout retest, W breakout retest. Nice and clean price action. Really nice and clean price action. Respecting the uptrend channel until this one will start outperforming Bitcoin. When? I don't know. So far, really nice development, and you can see textbook price action, respecting all the levels. Nice. Now, Bitcoin dominance. Well, we need more patience on Bitcoin dominance on daily. No YAM. We didn't touch 60, it's like a magnet. 61.8 fib, it's like a magnet. So expect at least a push higher or a week higher. I'm not saying it's over. Until I'll see a clear daily YAM, I still think Bitcoin dominance will push higher. So don't front run this one. It's not a good idea to assume that Bitcoin will be all and dominance will go to 90%, as I start to see on Twitter. I don't think it's a good idea. We are reaching 60, we can stay in the short reload zone for longer. When we'll see a daily YAM, we can say, well, okay, let's hunt. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. What I like here, I like something. I like this candle. Yeah? I like this candle in 0.035. We had this move. Let's see what we have on indicators. You can see indicators are in bullish divergence, yeah? At least the RSI. If we form a daily W here, or head and shoulder or something, we can recover, at least to retest this YAM. Yeah? So if you flip the chart for the moment, yeah, you have, keep in mind, it's the chart is flipped. Yeah? We have an uptrend here, yeah? Stepping up, pushing higher, retesting. So now, don't be bearish here. Okay? We need a retest here. So Ethereum should perform a little bit stronger in the next couple of days. Yeah? Stepping down, breaking down, under retest of the resistance and back down. Okay? So don't think too bearish here. Don't be too bearish on Ethereum. If we'll see strong developments, if we'll see W's, breakout and retest and changing the lower highs and lower low structure, okay, we can think about something, but not at this point. DXY is there from couple of days, touching the 61.8 short, nothing to do about that. Bitcoin, we discuss it. Look at total market cap. I still want to see candle body close above this high. Okay, it's not exactly like I wanted. Let's put a blue one. I want the market to push and close the daily candle above this high. Okay? Well, that means another step higher. That means we can push higher. Till then, here, let's just wait. Total 2, you can see Ethereum here, underperforming. Total 3. Seems like it's coiling and is getting ready for a move. Will coil more, will stay more at this level? Possible, but at some point in time will explode. And then you'll see what altcoins can do. Yes, well, still in the uptrend, still here. We are fighting this level. Still not too many things to worry about. We can stay here for longer, couple of days here and then push higher. I don't see enough weakness to worry about this one. And even if we'll drop, we have a strong support now below us. So no. Market is still strong, risk on is still strong. It's that simple. Now, let's take a look at the calendar. Today we have big news in the New York session, job openings, and other news a bit second impact, let's just call them that way, not too important. Tomorrow we'll have, you can see a lot of news. So pretty safe until New York to play around. On 4-hour chart, I told you about this one, AB equals CD, the last one, the lower time frame one. Swing low, swing high, W pushing higher, kind of a bot setup, a bit more aggressive. Just 1 second. We respected this level, textbook. I love the price action. I was hoping for a fake out below that level and a W. If you remember, I told you, well, I want a W in the blue area. Well, I got a wick or a tail. Correctly, it's a tail. Wicks are to the upside, but we tell wicks up and down. So I was hoping for a W here to enter. I got a tail, and the market tell me, oh, okay, I want above. And you can see breakout, retest of the level. We made a big W after all. Was easy to trade this one? Nah. Was hard and people didn't know what to do. Even I was caught on the wrong side of the market more than I wanted. But in an ugly range like this, they try to get rid of everyone before they push higher. You know that. Now, an AB equals CD here is pointing out all the way up at 75, 76, which is damn close. What is, we are at 71, let's say. What is 4K for Bitcoin? Nothing. Could do it in one candle. Not daily candle, 4-hour candle. So yeah, we can push higher. We should chase here. We should chase hoping for 76. No. Where you should put your stop loss? Well, your stop loss, if you are looking at 4-hour chart, should be all the way down at 65. And then even if you're right and will go to 76, you have a 1-to-1 risk to reward. Not something you want to take if you are on Crypto Traders Arena. We are not taking trades below 2R. So here we have 1. No. Yeah, indeed, if the market will come back down here at 68 kind of idea, 69, well, then we can do something about it. It's just a retest of this W. And we should retest that W. So, conclusion. Don't chase. Wait a little bit. We have some potential divergence here on 4-hour chart. You can see on OBV. An OBV is a strong indicator. The rest is just following the price action. But OBV is trying to tell us something here. Yeah? So don't chase. Wait for a retest back at 69, back at 68 maybe, if we're lucky enough. And then we can decide if we want to long. Okay? Yeah, we have gaps. ES has a gap, Bitcoin has a gap, and we should retest this level. Okay, BTC1, let's take a look. Here, you're talking about this gap. The lower one, well, should get filled, but when, we don't know. Looking left, well, I don't know. I have to look on higher time frame. Let's look at daily for me to see what you have there. Come on. We have a gap here on daily. No, we have a gap here, and probably have looking back, but could be a gap and go. You know, I talked about yesterday about gaps and go. Could be. Yeah, so don't chase. Wait for a retracement. If you're lucky, you'll get a retracement and 1 hour, 50-minute W at 69. Then we can load and we can ride the wave to the upside. You can trade with Holy Grail if you want. No? I'll go, and when I'll get to Holy Grail, I'll show you what 5-minute Holy Grail could do. But for the moment, conclusion, don't chase, wait for a retracement and then hunt a W here. Hopefully we'll push higher to 75, 76. Simple. Altcoins, IEVO for example. If you are in this trade, okay, you are in the trade, you are underwater, just leave it alone. If you are not in the trade, well, I'll suggest to get in, look at the W. Okay, so I'll put this trade here, just to show you, you have the W in the right location, everything looks nice and clean. Why you don't take it? I don't know, it's up to you. I'll take it. I'll add, or I'll switch the account and I'll still do a trade here. Let's assume a double top. That's a 321 until we'll retest this level, but this one could do better things. Testing the range high and even pushing a lot higher. Yeah? When we'll start pumping, could pump really nice. You should bet the farm here? No, you should take a 0.5 or 1%. The market is volatile. We are in the election already. So 0.5 or 1% is more than enough. If you have the trade, this one, just stay out, wait for, see what happens. Alt, expanding volatility here. I don't like patterns like this. Expanding volatility, it's bad. It's bad for traders. Bad signs. Okay. What I mean with expanding volatility? I mean something like this, and we'll get more volatile and we'll stop everyone out. Let's hope that is not the case. We'll come back down here at 0.9.2 and we'll form a W and push higher, and then this will be like a W. Ugly, but a W. If we'll form this pattern and we'll do a megaphone, yeah, ugly. Anyway, I don't see a trade here. We have location. We have some bullish divergence, I think. Yeah, we have some bullish divergence here on MACD. Let's see no, on OBV, no. So, let's wait for a proper W if you want alt. CRV, stablecoin, yeah, that's Bucur favorite stablecoin. Doge, well, I should talk about Doge? I think so. On 4-hour chart with Doge, just 1 second just to put it back, okay. We had nice entries here. We made some money. I enter again with Holy Grail. It's pushing higher. Don't chase Doge at 16 cents. Please don't chase it here. It's not a good idea. Looking left, you are close to the short reload zone. We fight at 38.2 and I said we can accept above or we can reject. Well, we accepted. Elon Musk was pretty strong this time. But we are reaching 61.8, some liquidity here. Everyone is talking about Doge now. That's not a good thing. At least not for me. When I see the market reaching red areas, I know that I should stay the fuck out. Or take some profit off if I'm long from below. Yeah, I'm long with Holy Grail. I have more than 10 R there. Just look at this one. It's sitting now. Let me see. Well, at this point, it's at 14 R. Okay. Holy Grail. I didn't even get the best entry possible. I got just an entry. Well, I know it's strong. I saw everyone talking about it, starting to push it. Okay, let's try it. I didn't know at that point in time if it will be a win or a loss. And look at the result. I like it. So, next time when you see people saying bad things about Holy Grail, show them trade like this. Yeah, that will cover for a lot of losses. Okay, now back on this one. Don't chase Doge here. Don't short Doge also. Doji is pushing to $2. Yeah, everyone wants $2 from their team. They will sell $2? I don't know, probably. I'll sell it? No, I don't want to sell. I want to sell looking at daily chart or weekly chart. Well, I want to sell above $10 or higher. I could give you a target. I have a W now, so I could give you a target with house levels. So let's do that. Why not? Let's do a target. And keep in mind, it's just a daily W. We can wait for more. Let's do house. There you go. Yeah, you can see here 2.6, then 4.1, and then 7.2, and then if you look higher, you have 16 at $14. But when we'll form a big weekly W, then I could put the house levels on weekly, and then we can talk about targets. For the moment, it's just pretending to push higher, is just making us free coins. It's that simple. Okay, that's Doji on daily. Let's go back on 4-hour chart. Dimension, similar. Look at the location. We waited for this location. I don't get it why people are not pushing. I don't see anyone asking about altcoins here. No? We waited. When I post this one and I said, well, let's wait in the long reload zone because that, and everyone was looking at me, well, motherfucker, you want back in the long reload zone? I don't think so. Well, sorry. It's in the long reload zone. Let's hunt now. Yeah, hunt long ideas. I'm not saying chase. Well, let's buy market. No, let's wait for setups, but let's hunt long setups, not short setups. I don't want to hear people, well, I'll short Solana, I'll short that one, the strongest coins, and you want to short them. Well, you saw the results. Again, this one, E-Gold, stop us out from this trade. But now, we have some Ws, breakout, retest. If you come back and retest, maybe you can play something. Okay, maybe you can play something if you come back at $24. I'll let you frame the trade if you want. You even have a gap in a crypto and an altcoin here. You see it? This is a gap in an altcoin. You don't see that too often. You should look for them, but you don't find them too often. Gap in E-Gold. E-Gold is Miku favorite altcoin. Okay. Ethereum, no point to talk about this one. It's all over the place. I don't want to trade it. FET. Well, it's making a W. We have the gap here. Again, I think that was the Binance having some troubles, no? That means everything has a gap here. Which means that E-Gold is not a real gap. Anyway. Power of 3 here, maybe or maybe not. I don't know. I still think this one will underperform for some time. Yeah, similar here. Now, everything has a gap here. Look at it. That's Binance's fault. Nothing to do with the reality. Maybe we'll come back and retest that one, maybe. Manta. Again, we waited for long reload zones. We have long reload zone. The low hold for the moment. We have W's, breakout, retest. Textbook. You can see. If the market will come back here at 68 cents, I think it's a buying opportunity. Osmo. Well, this one is lazy. Touch 61.8 is not doing anything. No W. Maybe some bullish divergence. Yeah, we have some, but give me a W. Give me a W and I could play this one. I could see an LJ here forming. I could see something nice. All the way from here. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, there you go. You see it? We managed to get the other side of the trend line. We aimed out and we kissed or tagged the trend line. And now, in the long reload zone, another confluence, we are trying to do something. Will form a W and give us a good entry? Hopefully. Anyway, it's okay to pay attention on Osmo because could give us a really nice trade here. If the W will be small enough, the risk reward could be more than good here. So pay attention on Osmo. Pixel, similar. We are in the trade, nothing to do. Byte, strong. Holy Grail on this one. Holy Grail is at the top. Don't chase it, but with Holy Grail you can try to get an entry. Saga, Megaphone. I told you about the same pattern a long time ago. Watch out, seek and destroy, ugly. And look what happened. Now we are back in the long reload zone. No W yet. And I tend to think, because we have had a mess on Binance, Binance is pretty strong, pretty big. I think we'll retest this level. And that will be an entry for us for a potential W. So we can even think about front running the W. Imagine to get an entry here. Imagine to get an entry there. Let's pretend that will happen. Okay. Stop loss here. And imagine the reward. Well, let's say we'll test the highs. 13 to 1. Let's imagine that this megaphone will produce another test of the highs. Here. Somewhere. Okay? You get what I'm trying to say? Hunt here a long idea. And most of the altcoins, or on your favorite altcoins. Because I understand that was Binance's fault. And it's a gap that is not a gap actually. But maybe Binance will push the market back to cover that hole. Maybe. Probably, actually. We'll see. Solana. Don't short Solana. You want me to say it again? Don't short Solana. As long as you see meme coins flying left and right, don't short Solana. Repeat after me. Market is strong. It's funny when I'm saying it. Some people are tired of hearing the repeat after me phrase. Anyway. I know it's the area where you want to short. It's in the short reload zone, but it's too strong. Don't short it. Why do you want to fuck around with something so strong? Strong and kind of stable. Yeah? It's not giving any cent back. It's just, well, Wyckoff check, back up. I think it's better to do something else with your money and time. Just my 2 cents. Tao. Well, fake out here, back up and back in the range. Could do something nice here? I think so. I'll chase. I'll do something on higher time frame. No, I already have a trade with Holy Grail. Tia. Underperforming. And I saw with the corner of my eye some unlocking. If I'm right. Maybe we should wait to form a W to do something clear here. This is my 2 cents. Bullish unlocking, please don't be the public, yeah? Because I saw something like that. Well, it's unlocking the coins, but it's actually bullish. Oh, really? Ton. You can see. Weak. Exactly at 61.8 and strong up. We have resistance, strong resistance above now. But I don't see a setup here. And yes, I could say from 1 week we have a range here. Let's not pretend it's something else. It's just a range. Yeah. So don't be too eager to. Well, I'll buy. Well, it's a bad news. Unlocking it's a bad news. So it'll be sell the rumor, buy the news. So tomorrow after unlocking, after people will get their coins, see if they'll sell. And when you'll see a W, you can jump in, because it's sell the rumor, bad news, sell the rumor, buy the news. Yeah. So think about that. Don't buy now, buy after the news, or wait for a W. But it's not bearish. We are back in the big long reload zone here. Okay. We'll get him back here. W and ready to go. So I have this Doge and I'll keep trailing. I said yesterday I'll trail this one with Holy Grail until will stop me out. Hopefully not now. Hopefully above 20 cents. Hopefully. I put this trade on for premium and VIP. You can jump in. It's at the entry. Not at financial advice. It's just what I do with my money. Rest is up to you. Tao, I have the same. You can see underperforming, but I'm okay to take a stop loss here. I don't worry about. Yeah? I know I'm playing with Holy Grail. I know what I'm doing here. Yeah? I'll get a stop loss. When I'll get a win, I'll get a 5 to 1, 6, 7, 8, 10, and that will compensate. For the moment, nice and clean. It's going sideways, testing the support, so I'm more than okay. I didn't took Ave. Yeah, I have it on my list, but I didn't took it just because it's too ugly. I don't like the behavior here. I could take it, but I said no. Maybe I'm wrong, who knows. Bitcoin. Well, I posted this on Twitter already. Well, just look at Bitcoin. Holy Grail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come on. We had a lot of entries just below the 69. Even Tolga yesterday was saying, well, I want to take Holy Grail on 5-minute chart. And he changed his mind. And wasn't a good decision. You can see it now. Yeah, I did the same. I didn't took it. I'll be honest, I didn't took the trade. Why I should say I took it? No. I was hoping for some SFU, so I short the market. Small risk, but I shorted. When you see the market rejecting multiple times, the probability to be a fake out is quite big. I saw the market strong, but my plan says to short, and I'm short. I got a nice stop loss. I said thank you, next boss, and now I'm looking for new setups. Okay, let's do some requests. Yeah, let's do a couple of them, not too many. So someone said VRA on daily. VRA. I think you asked me this one multiple times. I get you have your favorites, but KuCoin, Maxi, Bybit. Well, let's look at this one. And there you go. Well, you get a good location, Rado. Good location here. Retesting the W, if you remember, we discussed that. Now, another W here. Why not? When I'll think this one is ready for the next step, you'll not like the answer. But that's the answer. W the other side of this trend line. But you can still play here for a W breakout retest. You have enough room to play around. Okay. So you are in a location where you should look long on daily. Indicators is too much. Time frame is too big. Let's see for our chart. Maybe you have something. Well, there you go. At least the RSI is telling you bullish divergence here. And let me zoom in. Well, lower low, okay. Low, higher low. You have a confirmed bullish divergence on RSI here. So you have something. Is the best W here? Then, no. Maybe you wait for this gap. Well, you can see the gap on MACD. Why the fuck we have a gap on MACD when the problem or on Binance? What connection is with MACD and Binance? Can you tell me? Why the fuck we have a gap here? If you get an entry here, I think it's not a bad idea. So, overall, let's put daily back. If you look, you'll see a clear W, you can take something. Look, last time when you had Ws, okay? Don't short, don't do anything. If you dollar cost average, okay. If you are looking for a trade, look here because we'll probably form a trade in the next couple of days, maybe a week, something like that. Next one. Aptos. What time frame Aptos, Carol? You said you took Aptos. I think you took Aptos on day trading part. Yeah. I think so. You are hunting with Holy Grail on 5-minute chart. Yeah. Not bad. Entry here. Not bad. Valid with Holy Grail, valid entry. Consolidation, breakout, retest. Not bad, Carol, not bad. We'll hold, I don't know. But not bad thinking, I like it. If it's a 5-minute holy grail. Okay, you said about Velo, let's see Velo. Velo, KuCoin. This is the coin you are upset about. I wasn't okay with hunting long ideas. It's up to you. Was funny what you said. Getting upset, that will tell me. You don't realize how many things that will tell me about you. You just don't realize how you react, how many things will tell me about you. And from the trading standpoint, where you are, what you should learn, what mistakes you are doing, what you should avoid. You don't realize how many things. So, on Velo, let's get back on Velo. Well, I don't like the location, that's sure. Reload zone, it's in general on a traditional market, on any market, is starting from 61.8. Yeah? So 0.6 on 180 if you want to call it that way. Yeah? On altcoins, the real reload zone starts from 78.6. I'm okay if you are below 61.8 to start accumulating or waiting for a W or playing something. But when the market is bouncing and it's above the 61.8, I'm not allowed to chase. You can do whatever you want, it's your money. No? Like I said, no financial advice. That's why I reacted, okay, do whatever you want, it's up to you. Because I explained you in the video and you said, well, I have a different opinion. I'm not here to argue with anyone. It's your money, do whatever you want, that's my opinion. It's my plan, it's working. If you have a different strategy, okay. But if you want to play sharp here, well, then play sharp. Then hit the fucking 61.8 level. Don't wait here and, well, what I should do. It's too late when it bounced already. If you play 61.8, then be a fucking trader and take the 61.8 and put the stop loss at 78.6 if you are not too aggressive. If you are too aggressive, you can enter 61.8 and put the stop loss in the middle of the long reload zone. You have how not the good traders, but some of them say the golden pocket. It's not the golden pocket. Golden pocket, it's an extension fib, not what we have here. But it's, Stefan, tell me how the fuck they call this area from 61.8 to 70 and something. I saw a lot of traders doing that. It's working on traditional market also. Yeah, so you are a trader like that, take the trade at 61.8, live with the results. If you bounced, next bus. This is my 2 cents. Okay, if someone else has another request, if not, let's call it a live stream. And by the way, Stefan, you are here. Stefan will do the live stream for public today. Yeah. So let's make some waves. Let's push the link on all the channels, and let's get some people watching our videos. Yeah, 705. Yeah, exactly. That's the. Yeah, I saw a lot of traders saying, well, that's my entry. Well, sometimes it's working and it's profitable if you are sharp enough. Why? Because it's giving you a damn nice risk to reward. But that means day trading. Yeah, that means sharpness. That means clear plan, strong will, and good habits. You have that consistently every fucking day. If you don't have it, don't play it. Yeah, so Stefan will go live in kind of 20 minutes. I know we have this time zone, summer hour, winter hour fuckery will resolve itself in 1 or 2 weeks. Every time is the same. Nobody knows what the time is, when they should live stream, when they should play, when is the London, when is the New York. Yeah? Okay. So, I'll post the link with Stefan live stream please leave him a like. Please try to share the video. It's day trading with Stefan. Not everyone is a day trader, but they could get some ideas how we are behaving on lower time frame. Okay? So leave a like here if you want. If you don't, hit the dislike. You know the drill. See you in the Stefan live stream or tomorrow the same one. Okay? See you guys.